This tutorial provides an overview of using Student Information Centre to track student behaviour. To start with, you need to access student information and search for a student. I'm using the test site, so there's not many students and not all the information is available. On the left hand side you'll see a number of tabs where the information can be entered or can be viewed. On this tab the contact information would come straight across from SAS, so there would be parent numbers, emergency numbers, addresses, etc. The medical tab, the medical conditions area, is automatically updated nightly, again out of SAS, so that's where the source of data goes in to start with. There is the option of medical notes, which are generally seen as anecdotal notes, maybe about the medical condition itself, or it could be something related to that student. They can be entered by clicking on the plus sign. It opens up a number of fields, date, whatever the condition might be, how it might have happened, what sort of status is in, can it just be whatever. Do you need to email it to all the staff? Well, that's a possibility. Or you can select just a number of the staff and click on that link and save it, and it would send this teacher an alert related to that. That teacher may be someone who needs to follow up, could be an assistant principal or the principal. And once you've got that done, you just click on save. Now over here we have a drop down which allows you to go back and look at archive data. So we can see that Adam regularly breaks his arm, must be a bit accident prone. You'll be able to go back into different parts of the year as well in order to look at the data. Pastoral is an area where you can either do behavioural alerts, so this could be welfare related, behaviour related, or recognitions which generally are viewed as being positive behaviour. Again, the green button provides you with a whole series of different fields that you can enter data into. One aspect of this module is that the fields in most cases can be reorganised to suit the school's need. At the moment it has some basic fields in there, field data areas, but you can make modifications to that, or the school administrator has that ability. So as you can see, there's quite a range of areas that covers places in the school. You can then type in the details as I did previously. Again, if there were staff involved, so if this was a fight, bullying or whatever, 2 or 3 teachers might have been involved in witnessing what went on. There might have been more than one student involved, so you could add their names. Again, there's the follow-up option. This means that if it was a bullying incident, it could be sent, an email alert sent to the principal, and also you might need to notify other members of staff as well. Again, you have the option of being able to view previous entries, so that could be very valuable in building up a picture of Adam's behaviour. The notes area is very similar. It's probably more around general information about the student. Again, these areas here, the categories can be modified. There's a general area. Again, you have the option of whatever the status could be something in progress. Again, you type in the details. At this point in time, we're not using the visible to parents or students. That option, even if you clicked it, will not proceed. Follow up to staff is the same as previous. Probably the other area that you might consider using is the documents area. It lets you build document libraries for the student. As you can see, we've got some semester report areas. So I could go back and click on a semester and see whatever files could be stored in those areas. Now once you have documents stored, it's then possible to open them up and upload them. So for example, if I go to semester, select a file, browse to wherever it could be stored, upload it, then that can be then accessed fairly quickly by just clicking on the file and opening it down the bottom, excuse me. Okay, gives you a bit of a quick overview, and hopefully you might be able to or be interested using it with your school. So please contact me if you are. Thank you. Bye.